Hi guys, today I decided to try out the TikTok famous tomato feta pasta. To get started, we will add 2 pints of cherry tomatoes into a large oven-safe dish. Then add 1 medium sliced onion, 8 garlic cloves, 2 feta cheese chunks, a half cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon of crushed chili peppers, 1 teaspoon of Mesquite fired fajita shake seasoning, and 1 teaspoon salt. Then put into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While the tomato feta cheese mixture is in the oven, start to boil your pasta. I have used Barilla Large shells. After 30 minutes, start to mash the tomatoes and feta and mix well. Start to add your pasta and mix well. Then start to add basil as much as you want. I added more than a handful because I love the taste of basil. Also add a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Make sure to mix well and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.